I came across a tweet that said that former Chief Justice Mogoeng he is not eligible or allowed. I'm gonna read that, but it says that he cannot be the president of this country. And I said, no, my brother, you are misinformed. No, you see, the word he cannot, it's not a true reflection of the situation. No, I'm going to make you understand. You know, when you say Jacob Zuma cannot be in parliament, that is a constitutional, let me say, that's a constitutional demand on him. It demands that he, based on the constitution of this country, as per the ruling of the court, he cannot be in parliament. But the same wording does not fit in the situation of former Chief Justice. Listen, I came across this tweet. I'm definitely sure it's from at Esmel Abra. Former Chief Justice Mogoeng is not permitted to run for presidency or for being for presidential office. That I agree, but it's not necessarily the true reflection of the situation. There are conditions, right? It then says, Section 11 of the JSC Act prohibit judges from taking up any other paid job other than that of a judge. The Code of Judicial Conduct Note 17 IV states clearly that retired judges must not enter any political party. Don't worry, we will give this a proper dissection. You know, we're gonna go deeper into this, and I'll make you understand that this is not the wording and the phrasing of words and the choice of words, if I may say. Yeah, man, it sounds like it's not possible. It is impossible. Nah. Nah. Yegelani jealous. But what is it that we should do? If we stop being jealous, this is what you should do. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, now let's unpack this, right? No one ever said President Jacob Zuma is not allowed, right? As according to this tweet, no one ever said President Jacob Zuma is not allowed to run for the office, right? So not Zuma. I'm reading this tweet and it's disturbing me. No one ever said that this guy is not allowed, it's gonna be something that they will stop at him. No. What they said was there are benefits that you get, right, as a retired judge, but specifically as a chief justice. you get certain benefit. Now, the benefit that you get, you look, the salary of Chief Justice Raymond Zondo is the same salary with the former Chief Justice Mogoeng Mogoeng, and some other benefit as well. So this is what happened in that case. They are not allowed to participate in other paying job, provided they choose not to forfeit those things to pursue that. So the way they phrased it, it is as if he will never be, because the section says no, like it did, or the law says no, like it did with Jacob Zuma. No, that's the wrong way of phrasing things. The construction of the statement, the construction of the sentence itself, it's not proper. The statement says, if he decides to take up that or to participate thereon, he will then forfeit the rights or the benefit that he gets as a judge, and he would have handed over the title of being a judge. He would have retired that title. It will be taken away from him, just like Judge Thlope, right? Just like if you're an advocate, once you get struck off the roll, you can no longer be called an advocate. Just like a teacher whose academical qualifications got scratched off, maybe by the body in that profession, you can no longer call yourself a teacher, right? By profession, you're no longer a teacher by profession. The same things with being a doctor. The accreditation of you being a doctor gets scratched out. You are no longer a doctor, despite the knowledge you have acquired, but you are no longer a professional doctor. That's the same thing. But then, if you look at it from this perspective, you will understand that, yeah, being a president versus being a chief justice, which one has more benefits? So, if you listen attentively to the words of the former Chief Justice Mogoeng Mogoeng, in fact, I'll do you a favor. Take a look at what he said here.
He doesn't want me to join a political party. He doesn't want me to form any political party. It is going to be miraculous. And I pause there to remind people that it looked like a foolish thing for me to make myself available for the position of judge of the Constitutional Court. There was mockery all over the media that I was just a lay preacher who knew nothing about the law. And it got worse after my nomination and appointment for the position of Chief Justice. I was projected as this idiot, this lapdog of President Zuma, who knew the Bible and knew nothing about the law. And as it turned out, they all ate humble pie. I'm not saying might. It's unstoppable. It's inevitable. I don't know when, but God will surely do it, and you must come and interview me. And I'll say, you see how great this God is. It sounds crazy. It sounds nonsensical. But I have seen how unlimited the power of this God is. You'll be shocked. Everybody will.
You will be president of South Africa.
I am going to be president of this country at the appointed time. I don't know when. It may even be next month. You never know with this God. See that?
Right there, you are hearing the man himself saying, God has told me that I will be the president of this country. Right? What does it mean? It means it's possible. It's just a choice to say, you know what? I'm now forfeiting all the benefit that comes with me being a judge. Now I'm going to be the president. Now, here's the thing. Mogoeng, if you listen to him very attentively, he said, I will not contest that. It will happen, but I won't contest it. In other words, the way, because the wrong way of looking at it is like when you say he must not participate in politics. In his own statement, he says, I will not participate, but I will be called to come and be the president. That's exactly how you want to understand the words. So if you understand that it says he will not participate in the process of him getting elected, but he will definitely look, he will be the president. Forfeit the benefit of being a judge, then take up the benefit of being a president. And I'm going to ask you a simple question. Which one has more benefit between the two? I will bet that the one of being a president has got more benefit than the one of being a chief justice. Number one, it's a matter of respect. You are respected worldwide. Not that when you are a chief justice, you're not respected worldwide, but in terms of and what is this thing? I'm looking for this word, right? In terms of recognition, yeah, let's start there. Recognition. Being a president, even if Mogoeng was to be a president for 1 year, just 1 year, he will forever get the presidential benefit. Like Motlanthe. Motlanthe is now named as a former president. You can't just address him like Mr. Motlanthe. He is the former president, Mr. Motlanthe, right? He gets the presidential treatment. He gets the presidential package. Look, Jacob Zuma will end that until death. Mandela end that until death. Mbeki will end that until death. Okay, it's Motlanthe, Zuma, Mbeki, Cyril Ramaphosa. They will end that money, that package until death. And every time there must be an upgrade to their security and everything at the expense of the state. You get it? So, from where I'm seated, it just makes sense for the man to be the president. Simply because, I mean, come on, it carries a lot of benefit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And it commands a lot of respect. But it just also depends on the ambitions of our former Chief Justice Mogoeng. If his ambitions is to and the respect and all the stuff, because I mean everybody has got something that they are pursuing. There's something that they just said, you know what, I've done it all, but there's one thing that I haven't done in my life. You know, that's what I'm saying. And I appreciate people who are doing things from that point of view, because it's not a point of desperation. It's just a point of something they want to do for fulfillment. Some of them, like if Ramaphosa was really a billionaire, he wouldn't have been as greedy as he is now. Because some people who are moneyed enough, they are no longer faced by money. They don't care about money. Like Abo Mutsipe, if I may say. They will say, I win the league, I give you the money, I take the title, that's it. Or the cup. You understand? And that because to them, money is no longer a problem. That is the behavior of people who have conquered whatever they wanted to conquer. They are not phased about money. Money is no longer a big deal to them. Money is like, okay, see, I've got it, it's fine. But there's in life to them, there's much more than money. So I will be happy if his pursuit of being a president, it comes from such. Because it's got all the benefit. I mean, honestly, a huge benefit. He sits there as a what is the thing? That word, man. He sits there as a chief justice. He is, you know what I'm saying? I mean, come on, the benefits are there, but then now we need one more. What's your take? So for me, I don't see anything that can stop him from being a president. Forget and smile. Nothing will stop him from becoming a president. Forget.